Those who might be struggling to pay for health care coverage, there is a new program that's available through Kaiser Permanente to help, but you have to act fast as there is a deadline approaching. And joining me to talk more about what is being offered in the community health care program is Dr. David Roldan. Thank you for joining us. We appreciate it.
Thank you so much for having me this morning.
Of course. So you work in family practice and you've seen firsthand the need to kind of fill the gap for people who don't qualify for federal help.
Correct. Yeah, this program is meant for people who are struggling to find coverage, and in primary care we see the huge need for things like preventative care or urgent care, and oftentimes struggling to find coverage can be stressful. So this program is meant to try to fill that gap for people who do not qualify for a federal program, but healthcare is a little bit too expensive for them. And you're right, the deadline is approaching. January 31st is the last day to apply. So we're trying to get the word out to make sure we get as many people as possible.
Yeah, and so basically, I mean, you're talking about no copays and much lowered cost for some of those services. What do you know as a doctor about what happens when families put off that medical care?
Unfortunately, what we've seen is delaying care or not getting care can have a huge impact on your health, can have a huge impact on the ability to recover sometimes from these issues. So we put a lot of emphasis on making sure that you get that care early, and you have visits with your doctor and have those preventative measures that will avoid sometimes getting sick or getting some of the things that we can prevent, such as cancer or getting your vaccines. And it's very important to have the ability to get to your doctor. So we know that and understand that having that gap can impact a lot of the families in the community. So we aim at targeting that population to make sure that they get the care that they need.
Okay, sounds good. Well, thank you very much. We appreciate you joining us. The deadline, however, is coming up, so people do need to get on that pretty quickly. We'll put up some of the requirements as well there on the screen. You will need to meet multiple requirements in there, including living in one of the Kaiser Permanente coverage areas, but the other ones are very income-based. So please, if this is something of interest to you, make sure you get in there before the deadline there at the end of the month. And Dr. Roldan, thank you for joining us today.
My pleasure. Thank you so much.